आगाज है एक ख्वाब की ताबीर का, एक रोशन पुरअमन और तरक्की याफ्ता पाकिस्तान की तामीर का।
Dua Academy, Mirpur Mathelo offers 1 month free online classes only for those students who would like to get advanced admission for MDCAT Batch 2 starts from 2nd May 2023. Registration starts from April 1st, 2023. Last date of registration 30th April 2023. Commencement of classes 2nd May 2023. Admissions open. Physical and online classes. 2nd batch. MDCAT, ECAT. Exclusive offer 3 months. Half pre-entry for first year students. MDCAT, ECAT. 2023 results. 53 doctors and 13 engineers. First position in Kashmir and Ghotki district. Faculty Chemistry Professor Ghulam Shabir Memon, Professor Rajesh Jemlani. Physics Professor Muhammad Safar Kalhoro, Professor Ali Murad Keher. Biology Sir Ayaz Hussain Koharo. Math Sir Ubaidur Rahman Qazi. English Sir Bhajandas Chiraka. For admissions contact 0333 55244440 0307 8238975 0300 3159757. Venue Ikhlas Model School, Mirpur Mathelo.